Okay, I'm going to show you today how you can add your contact details to the Southeastern Principal Zone blog. Now you can see here I'm on the home page, which is iconnected.blogspot.com.au, and that's the home page over here, and you can see the home page with all of our listings, and we have a contacts page. Now on the contacts page you can see, if I scroll down there, it just has my name in school and my Twitter account. Now for you to add your account details, the first thing you'll need to do is sign in. So you'll notice here on the right hand side there at the top right hand corner, there's a sign in link. So if you go to that link and click it, and once you've clicked that, it's asking you to sign in with your email and password. This is the email and password you use to sign up to the blog. So mine is michaelday@hotmail.com.au. You might have used a personal one, or you might have used your school address. So put in that and your password and click on sign in. Now once you've signed in, you'll come up with the blogs that are available to you, and you'll notice down there it has the Southeastern Principal Zone. That's the blog that we're wanting to go to, so we just click on the Southeastern Principal Zone, and once we click that, we have a range of things that we can do here as far as putting postings on, so we can do our own posts onto the page. But for this session, what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to add our contact details to the contacts page. So we go over to pages here on the left hand side and click on pages, and we've got 3 pages. We've got the home page, contacts page, and the leadership readings. Now we're wanting the contacts page, and we're wanting to make some edits to that. So if I click on edit, and the page loads up, and you can see that principal online contact details for the Southeastern Zone. Please add or edit your own details. So I'm just going to click this little down arrow there. You can see as I hover over that, I'll click that, and I'll click on the end of the current entry there, which is mine, and hit enter, and hit enter a second time, and it takes us over to a new bullet point. So I'm going to type in my name and my school, and I'm going to put in my Twitter account, so I'm going to hit enter. Now to move that over so it's the same sort of dot points as what I've got here in my example, all I need to do is hit the tab button, and once I hit the tab button, that moves over. And I can type in my details for one contact and my details for another contact. And you'll notice though that mine are links, so to make them a link meaning that if I click on this, it'll take me to my Twitter account on a new page. So to make any of these words links, all we need to do is double click them like that, and we can see the top button bar up here. We have a whole lot of different things like make it bold, make it italics, those sorts of things that we see on a lot of editing programs. The one we're looking for here though is link. So there's link, and I click on link, and to what URL or internet address should this link go to? www.twitter.com/ and whatever your username is for Twitter, and that'll be different for each of you. You might think, well, why didn't I use Michael Day instead of Maven Share? Well, the reality is there's lots of Michael Days in the world, and Michael Day's already been taken. So is Mick Day and M Day and Day Michael and any other derivative that I could think of. So we all have a unique username for Twitter. We put that in over there. We make sure that this box here is ticked. Open this link in a new window and simply click OK, and that's done. That is now a link, and you can see it's different from the second details listing there. Once you've added your details and you're happy with them, you can edit this at any time going in the same way, or you can change it just like you do, say, in Microsoft Word. And once you've made those changes, you simply need to click on the update button, and that will load it to the website straight away. So if I click on update, and I can go over here now I can do any other edits that I want to do, or I can leave the editing part of the blog and view my blog to see what it looks like. and viewing takes us to the home page, but here I want to go to the contacts and see if my contact details have been added, and I just scroll down over there, and yes, you can see they've been added. Again, if you've made a mistake or you want to change something, all you need to do is, you've already signed in, so you can see here there's not an option to sign in. You're already signed in. You can sign out, but you can go to design, and on design that takes you to our page over here where we make changes and put on new content. So I can go back to pages, I can go to the contacts page and edit that, and I may fix any mistakes I made or delete them. In this case, that's a phony one, so I'm just going to hit delete, backspace to get rid of that dot point, and I will update, and I'll go back to view blog, and it's exactly as it was beforehand. I click on contacts just to check, and you can see it's back to the way it was. So that's it. Have a go at editing and putting in your own contact details. We'll see who's successful, because it starts to appear for us. And if you're having any trouble while you're doing it, there's my phone number. Give me a call. I'll talk you through it. Okay? Thanks, guys.